What's going on, everybody? This is Brandon with Absolute Equity. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make $300 a day trading in the foreign exchange market. The platform I use to recap and evaluate Forex pairs is called TradingView, which you're currently looking at. I prefer to use this platform personally because it has a lot of useful tools and it is a lot more visually appealing to my eye. Just to give you a little backstory of about myself. Before I traded Forex, I used to day trade stocks, small and large caps. I had a little bit of success, but I used to only make maybe 20, 30, 40, $50 a day. And plus the barrier of entry with stocks is so much higher in comparison of the foreign exchange market. So how I actually got into Forex was from my little brother trying to recruit me into a group called IML. Needless to say, I took the individual route, so here I am. What you're currently seeing is my chart setup. This is exactly how I like my layout to be. My candlesticks are, as you can see, is one color just because for psychological reasons, it kind of just helps me to eliminate the influence of the fluctuating colors of the candlesticks from bullish to bearish. And earlier in my days, it would kind of throw me off and make me sell something too early or sell something too soon just based off of one slight move. You also notice that I don't use any form of indicators. I don't use any SMAs. I don't use any EMAs, no ADX, none of that extra jazz that you may be accustomed to seeing on others' charts or other people's charts, just because I find it unnecessary noise on my charts personally. So I just choose to leave it alone. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. The pair that I ended up trading was GBP AUD. Let me go back and show you a little reference. The top left column, I made $353.34 on GBP AUD on the 10th of December, which was around here. I normally look to aim to get into my trades around the hot times such as New York Open or London Open, which to me, a lot of people would say 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock London, New York time. I mean, I personally like to wait till time my entries around 1 to 4 a.m. London, as you will see here. Now that I sit here and look at this in hindsight, I knew that it was going to currently be bullish, but I kind of looked here with me knowing that the high of the day when it's going to be bearish, or the high of the week when it's going to be bearish for the week, is going to come between Sunday and Wednesday New York Open. I anticipated this being the high of the week. So with that being said, I was waiting for the drop. I saw the drop from this high down here. What gave it away that this was going to be bullish is there was really no break of lower structure to give me a reason to go short on this. But I, for some reason, don't know, I did it anyway. So it came up here, it pulled back, and then it pulled up again to retest. And that's when I got in my entry around, I believe it was around 2 o'clock New York time, in the London Open. And then I wrote it down for roughly 30 something pips, I believe. Yeah, it was something. I got a large chunk of that move there. And I really got lucky on that because, as you can see, my stop loss, I normally keep my stop loss super tight. I think I had my stop loss around like 93 big figure. So, yeah, I could have easily lost 300 on that move, or $300, $200 there. But it ended up working out. I've actually been pretty consistent the last few trading days. I don't too much trade often. I work a 12-hour shift. I do still have a job. This is really just like a bonus amount of cash for me to make whenever I can. So whenever I see the opportunity to present itself, I make stuff happen. That is really the end of the video. I plan on going a lot more in detail, explaining a lot of what exactly I do to be as consistent as I've been. Because yes, I do still lose, as you can see, but I really had I don't lose big and I don't lose often based off of my strategy being so specific. So, like I said, I plan on actually posting videos quite frequently. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time.